Right, I just made it up here to Alpha Motorsports up in Flint, Michigan. I'm gonna head in a little bit early, but let's get this. Oh, I'm so excited. This is gonna be awesome.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, 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 won't you let the light shine through.
Alright, so as you can see, we just got the truck dynoed. I'm in it right now. There were some complications we ran into, and I'll go into those a little bit more detail later on. But right now we're loading up. We got Paul back there towing the trailer. We got Brent in the truck with him. We're heading up to Brent's property, so we're going to do some more off-roading. We couldn't go snowmobiling, so we're going to do the next best thing. So we'll see you up there when we're setting up the trailer for the night. Finally back at the property. Got in camp, all set up. Get nice and cozy. Whew! Look at this whiteout! Holy smokes!
Not bad to wake up to. This is what we've been asking for.
Like, we need this just non-stop for the next week here and in the UP.
And we'll be good to go. So, beautiful morning, lots of snow. Woke up to all this. Not bad, but walked around here to see that Vinny may have left his window open all night. How do you feel about that, bud?
I'll live.
Oh, look at that.
Door, because all that snow that's on your roof's gonna fall in.
Good amount of snow for the night, though. Should make the trails interesting.
Blessing with your little window.
Can't even tell where camp is or what everything's looking like, but
So the trailer will really blend in now. Oh, that's not too bad. I was expecting a lot worse.
yeah. Well, look at your door.
You just won't be able to put your window up.
Oh God.
Yeah, it's nice and
It's frozen
in there. Well, I'm special. But yeah, last night I was like, oh, I left the truck running while we were setting up. I always leave my window down because I just get paranoid. Like I accidentally hit the lock button and then the truck's just stuck. And then this is what I get for that.
Well, we gotta go back to making breakfast. Alright, everybody. Ate breakfast, cleaned up. Now we're just cleaning the trucks, getting them ready. We're gonna take it out on the trail, see how the trails are looking. I think you said we got probably what, six inches of snow?
I mean,
Yeah.
I'd say a good 6 inches and it's still going. So we may get almost a foot.
I mean, it said it's not gonna stop till tonight, right?
Yeah, it's supposed to snow like all day.
And it's sticking pretty well. So here's a great example. We dropped these cans, these off last night, and that's everything that's settled. So, anyways, just getting the trucks cleared off. We're gonna run down the trail a couple times, check it out, see how it's going. We gotta go unlock the gate. Getting squirrely.
Yeah.
So it's kind of a whiteout, but we were just driving behind Vinny, and we happened to see something laying in the road. What do you think this could be? Not possibly his exhaust. Oh yeah. Everything. Exhaust tips, muffler, the whole shebang. You think he noticed?
Not a clue. Hey, did you notice you're missing something?
You find my muffler?
Yep.
Yeah. Turning. Slow it down, and then I'm like, all right. I get it right about here. I'm like, hammer down! And I'm just fucking eating my way back up the hill.
I'm like, if I go backwards at all, I'm down this hill.
Yeah.
I don't even think
that was just like the situation we were in. I mean, a little exaggerated, but
yeah, we got to like here. We didn't get to there.
We need something that doesn't have drop-offs on either side.
Yeah.
Because like that's what's sketching me out.
I want to hit your truck on that open ORV trail on the side of the road up there. Is this what you've been waiting for?
Dude, this is like, I don't know why more people don't have snow trucks in Michigan.
Off-roading in the snow is just so much fun.
It's amazing, but it's like the opportunity to be able to do both is great.
How's your truck driving, Paul?
It's doing good. Could get a little beefier tires, a little bigger tread, but they're handling well.
Yeah. Toyo, maybe Toyo wants to
Toyo for the win?
You know, sponsor us, give us a nice set. You know, he's already got the AT2s, maybe AT3s, another set of RTs. You know,
both tires are at the end of their life.
Both diesel rigs need some bigger tires.
So just throw that out there. Toyo, hit us up, grab us while we're young.
King's performing flawlessly.
Dude, this, like, I can't complain. It's handling phenomenally. The whoops, it just eats them up. Like I said, the biggest thing would probably be let the air out in the rear a little bit, and it'll just bite better.
How are you feeling? You feel like you can go a little bit faster, push it a little bit more than what you've been doing? Or
I
are you
mean,
at
that one, we hit 61. Oh, I'm not concerned. The biggest thing is just if I need a quick exit, it's just if there's anything that we can't see because it's buried in the snow, or I notice something that looks awkward, if we're too big a speed and I don't have an exit, there's no stopping distance, I just slide.
Yep.
So.
Well, we're almost, we're just outside the trails, the military base where we like to go, so we're fueling up, getting some snacks, and we're almost there.
The night has come, it's cold and losing my control. Your light is gone, and lonely darkness fill my soul. I wish that you could.
So, for reference, if you're wondering where we are, the last time the truck was sitting right here, we were putting the donut tires on it and pulling it into the trailer. So that's the path we were down, that I hydro-locked it, and the trailer was sitting right here, and we were pulling it in.
And that was what, a month and a half ago?
Yeah, a month and a half, about 2 months, because it's right at the end of October.
Yeah, so
a month and a half, we didn't have a running truck.
And now we got all this white shit.
So, freaking awesome.
darkness fill my soul. I wish that you could save me from my isolation. It's way too complicated. Let's stop this conversation. Let's stop this conversation. We got no relation.
We leave you alone for 2 minutes. What do we got going on here? Dude, you went, look at this. You slid straight down.
I was gonna say you pulled away and I was like,
I think we've learned a lesson. We're not gonna park the trucks on the side of a bank.
no.
You just can't. Not in this type of snow.
Got my truck.
Well, getting the tow strap hooked up. Gotta get all the gear out. Buried in the bed of Paul's truck. On the bank of a nice turn right here. Nothing crazy. There's only been one truck that's driven by so far, but we gotta stay on as flat as ground as we can up here because it banks left and it banks right either side of this road. And the last thing we need to do is get down there where Paul is. So we gotta stay on flat, solid ground. Stick around to find out.
Ready?
Go for gold, baby!
The RTs, Paul, let's get you some MTs.
Let's get you some
I need
meat.
something. Can't rely on prayers for too long.
Exactly.
Not parking on the side of the road.
Yeah, let's not park there.
I'm sitting there like in a fucking audience, and as soon as I like slowly tried to pull out the slack, I started going sideways. I'm like, well,
Okay.
as soon as I pull out this tension, it's just.
It's gonna be interesting.
Look at my passenger seat because I had the windows down. You might need to clean that seat off.
Oh boy.
Then he put me right into the tree.
Hey,
Hey, I'm not.
Oh shit.
I'm not complaining.
God damn it! Do you guys even care about me at all?
I don't see the Cummins putting it on the line out here. This is true.
This has been camp for the last 2 nights. This is the property up north. First time we've ever obviously taken the camper or the trailer up here in the winter, but turned out pretty nice. Considering this summer we did some land clearing and moving, cleared out a bunch of trees, made it more accessible for the trailer and all the trucks. But here's the final count for the weekend up with all the snow. And see what it came out to.
9 inches?
9 inches of snow. Not bad. I don't think any of us really expected that much, but never to say we're still prepared. Generator's been working fantastic. I mean, we've been cooking breakfast. How many gallons we went through?
Of gas?
Yeah, we'd top up before we'd go to bed, and even by the time we'd wake up at 8:30. I mean, it was still running, but it's like a winter wonderland out here.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, no kidding. All right, we got Vinny's truck hooked up to the trailer. Paul's tread on his tires are not the greatest, and let's be honest, the 37s are gonna eat in this deep snow.
Should be good.
So the main game plan is we're gonna have to back the trailer up a decent bit back there so we can come down here and exit. The way we set it up is we'd pull up there and then just back straight in. So now we're gonna back in there, and then the plan is to pull straight out. But we're gonna see how well this works. Ooh, not a good start. All right, we're gonna get ramming speed. We're gonna go up to the top of the hill and ram it straight back. Looking good. we go. Pull back, redo it. Oh,
Where that work?
yeah. That tree's the only concern. Close. Good enough.
That work?
The momentum. Sorry, Michael. Little channel update. Trying to get the camper out of the woods, and the old Toyos have failed us. We're just digging holes. We're able to back the trailer up, so we're hoping to somehow get Vinny's truck around to the front. We can double tow, hook Vinny's truck to Paul's truck, tow us up, because this is a slight incline. And what we've noticed is we've driven over the snow so many times, it's become hard packed to the point of where it's, I mean, it's slippery as all shit. So, airing down Paul's tires 10 PSI, get a bigger surface area, somehow get Vinny's truck up front, and we're gonna give it a second go. Bye guys, good luck.
Hanging on by a thread, I'd say.
What, did you run it over?
I must have.
Yeah. Man, that was close.
Dude, I had to yank him at one point.
Were you yeeting them?
I just...
We bottomed out and I threw the trailer in that fucking lane. And there's a truck coming, but I didn't give a shit. We had to keep going.
All right, as you saw, we made out of that little situation. So now at the gas station, we got to air up Paul's tires because we took them down 10 PSI. So we got to put air back in those. I don't think we took any out of Vinny's truck. We're gonna fuel up, make sure everything's operating pretty good, and then hit the road. Everything's shaking around in here.
I forgot to lock that, so the door just came open, but other than that, I mean, nothing really moved a whole lot.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can